Yo, what is up everybody? It's Unbound for Liberation and we're back with another video. This one's all about crushing those travel goals without crushing your health goals. We've all been there, stuck at the airport, starving on a road trip, and the only options are like greasy fast food or those questionable gas station hot dogs. The worst. But listen, traveling doesn't mean your healthy habits have to take a vacation too. Whether you're road tripping, flying cross country, or just exploring a new city, staying on track with your meals and snacks is totally doable. It's all about planning smart and making good choices. So in this video, I'm hooking you up with my ultimate travel hacks for eating healthy on the go. We're talking about how to prep like a pro, navigate those airport food courts like a boss, and make healthy choices at restaurants without sounding like a total health nut. Let's do this! First things first, people, we gotta talk about planning. Look, I get it, life gets crazy, you're rushing to pack, and the last thing on your mind is like chopping up celery sticks. But trust me, taking that extra 20 minutes to prep some snacks before you head out is a game changer. Think about it. When you're stuck at the airport, starving, and your only option is a $10 bag of chips, you're gonna regret not packing. So what are my go-to travel snacks? I always pack things like trail mix, just make sure it's the unsweetened kind, apple slices with some nut butter, hard-boiled eggs, those are lifesavers, and hummus and veggie wraps. And here's a pro tip, keep it TSA-friendly. That means sticking to solid foods, no liquids over 3 ounces, you know the drill. And if you're road tripping, invest in a good lunch cooler. It's a lifesaver, especially on those hot days when you don't want your food turning into like a science experiment in the back of your car. Oh, and one more thing, avoid anything with mayo if you're traveling in the heat. Trust me, you don't want to deal with that mess. Okay, so you didn't pack snacks. Don't worry, I've been there. It happens. But that doesn't mean you're doomed to eat garbage. Even at airports and rest stops, you can find decent options if you know where to look. First up, hit up those airport convenience stores or those little markets and rest stops. They usually have pre-made salads with grilled chicken or tofu, which is a solid choice. Grab a bottle of water or unsweetened iced tea while you're at it. Another lifesaver is single-serve packs of nuts or trail mix. They're usually near the registers and they're perfect for a quick energy boost. And hey, if you're really in a pinch, a piece of fruit is better than nothing. Just promise me you'll steer clear of the sugary drinks and those mystery meat burritos. Seriously, those things are like edible time bombs. Alright, let's talk restaurants. Because let's be real, when you're traveling, eating out is part of the fun. But how do you stay healthy when you're faced with menus the size of encyclopedias? Don't worry, I got you. I call this my healthy travel triangle. It's 3 simple things to look for on any menu. Number 1, grilled, not fried. This one's a no-brainer. Grilled chicken, fish, tofu, always a good choice. Number 2, veggies on every plate. Don't be shy about asking for extra veggies instead of fries or bread. Most restaurants are cool with that. And number 3, sauces and dressings on the side. This way, you control how much you're using, and you avoid drowning your food in hidden calories. And here's the thing, don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Restaurants are more flexible than you think. Swap out the fries for a side salad, ask for your dressing on the side. It's all good. Okay, this next tip is so crucial, but people always overlook it, hydration. Look, I know you're busy exploring and taking in the sights, but you gotta stay hydrated, especially when you're traveling. Dehydration can sneak up on you, and it can actually make you feel hungry even when you're not. So, carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go, and refill it constantly. And here's a pro tip, hydrate before you caffeinate. That means drinking a glass of water before you reach for that coffee or tea. It'll help you stay even more hydrated. And speaking of timing, let's talk about when you're eating. Try to eat consistently throughout the day, even if it's just small snacks. This will help keep your energy levels stable and prevent those hangry meltdowns. Nobody wants to be that person on the trip, right? Alright, so there you have it. My ultimate guide to healthy eating on the go. Remember, staying healthy while traveling isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that make you feel good. And the best part is, when you fuel your body with good food, you have more energy to explore, adventure, and experience everything your trip has to offer. So pack those snacks, make those healthy choices, and get out there and crush it. So there you have it, guys. Eating healthy on the road doesn't have to be a chore. With a little planning and some smart choices, you can stay on track with your health goals and still enjoy every minute of your trip. Now I want to hear from you. What are your go-to travel snacks? Drop your tips and tricks in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more travel and health tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.